Well, hey everybody, this is Gretchen the Green Lady, and on today's episode, and for maybe a bunch more, this is directed to you, the new homeschoolers. Parents, your children are home, so I wanted to make sure that you had something fun for them to do. And we're gonna start to do our core word search. This is a great way for your kids to find their core words, but go ahead and have your kids watch this, find the core words, and after they've done that, what they'll do is they'll write those words down and see if they can put them together to make a sentence. And it's a great way for them to identify the word, be able to see the word and know it and practice it. So let's have fun together. Stay tuned.